Hi guys, how are you doing? Alright, so dinner this evening is mashed potato, and I'm gonna do something for you guys. This is some veggie chunks, some soy chunks. They look like that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fry them. Boy, I don't know about you, but me tired of everywhere me go, and everybody who offer me food, they're giving me curry chunks or stew chunks. Me just tired of it, right? Alright, so I came up with this idea, and it tasted really good, so I want you guys to try it. But before I get started, I want you guys to, if you're new here, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Put on your post notification so you don't miss an episode. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, what we want to do is to rehydrate the soy chunks. I'm going to just go ahead and use everything. And to rehydrate it, just pour some hot water on it. You can rest it aside, right? Alright, so we're just gonna chop these potatoes and just get them ready for the pot. No particular way. Alright guys, so the water is boiling, so we're going to add the potatoes, right? And to make our dinner look nice, I've blanched some vegetables around here. You'll see it when I reach to that part. So we're going to let it cook, and then we mash it, and then we start with the soy chunks. But we can go right ahead and make the soy chunks rub. For the herb rub, we're going to use some cumin, some paprika, a little bit of turmeric, not a lot, right? And garlic powder. Adding some white pepper now. And some salt. What I'm going to do, guys, is divide this in two. So we're going to use some to put with the cornstarch, right? So the cornstarch is about 4 tablespoons, right? And the reason why I do it this way is to, the cornstarch, I want it to have a little flavor while the soy chunks is frying, right? Alright, so we're going to get rid of the water now from the chunks. And just give it a quick little rinse just to get off anything that taste that the soy chunks normally come with. I don't like how it tastes, so I always just make sure it wash good. And what you want to do is to make sure you squeeze them dry, right? Alright, so we're going to add the dry rub now. Alright guys, it's time to mash our potato. So we're going to add some vegan butter and some white pepper, and you can mash away now. You can add a little soy milk just to get it creamy. This is the unflavored one, right? Now I'm going to go in with some dry parsley. You can always taste to see if it's okay for you, right? I think you can take a little bit more salt. And remember, you can't crush cold potato. It has to be hot or warm enough. It's okay now. We're going to use some cooking wine because we're going to make up the sauce. A little agave. And I'm going to try the Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. This is from Walker's Wood. No, this is not sponsored. And I'm using the yellow one. You can go in with as much as how you can bear it, right? And a little soy sauce, not a lot. Back with the soy chunks, you're going to rub it up now with the cornstarch, right? I like to use this amount. If you want more as you go along, you know, you just put some more. So we are going to start now. And these, when they fry up, they're going to look like some little chicken nuggets. I want you guys to enjoy cooking vegan food just the same, because I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna be honest, if you're going to be a boring person in the kitchen, I don't think you can maintain the lifestyle that is truly recommended. And remember, it's a lifestyle, we not do it for nothing else. So you have to be creative and always just play around with food. That's why you're really gonna enjoy it, right? I don't know, comment below if you don't like the idea you have to fry up the tofu. So, I can know if I can do it again, or if you know, I just want to know. Or if you never tried it before, tell me. So you want them to crisp up a little. You don't want to bun them up too much, but you just want them to be nice and crispy. And to maintain the color, that's why I use the turmeric, because we want them to look like, you know, when you go to them restaurant and you get some meat and it can have this yellow golden look. That is the look that we want. And which is why I use the white soy chunks, so them have the brown one, as most of you may know. Like them one here, them good, so we can take them out and put them to drain. Anyone that feel a little crispier, you can take it out. And I smell the cumin coming up, man, with this flavor. And yes, it takes time, but I'm confident. I mean, it's gonna be all worth it when it's done. Boy, I remember, Jesus, my mother used to kill me with stew chunks. I used to hate that thing so much. But as you grow, you know if you cook it your way. Because maybe them never really know how to prepare it either. But as you grow and you experiment with different you experiment it in different ways, then you know you can do it yourself and enjoy it, you know. Alright, these are pretty good now, so we're gonna take them out, and you can just repeat the process with everything else, right? See me, I'll bun this one here, so but it's alright. Guys, the other day I coming from school and I see a Rasta man selling some annatto, right? And it's a natural food coloring. But look at this, so amazing. Oh my god, look at the color. Come on, want the color to stay in the chunk. So I just going to use some of it to give it some color. If you don't have any, you can go right ahead and use like food coloring. But I just think this give it a natural looking color that, you know, we want. I always know about it, but I've never tried it. But me I tell you, so I tried it the other night and it was amazing, man. Alright, so we're going to burn the garlic. Not burn, saute. Where me get that from? And I'm going with everything else. Some scallion. And just like that, guys, we have some fried veggie chunks sauteing some nice sauce. And you can add in the chunks now. So guys, me no know, me just feel bossy and all these things. Look at that. Look at that. You look at that. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys tried. Let me know how you taste or you like it. I think this is an amazing recipe, man. Yeah, man, we are all done. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, I see you. Take care of yourself, and please remember to like, comment, subscribe to this channel for more amazing plant-based recipes. Until next time, bye. Yes guys, you remember this carrot juice that I made in a previous video? Now I'm going to have it with my dinner. I really hope you enjoyed this video guys. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and put on your post notification bell.